This is Chandler with Classic Hair Services, and I'm showing you a project that I'm working on for a customer of mine. I'm cleaning the VCT and waxing the VCT, so I'm stripping and waxing, and also cleaning this commercial carpet for their commercial carpet locations. Just want to show you the before. You can see that this carpet is very heavily soiled. Also, we have another hard surface here. That's the women's restroom and the men's restroom I showed earlier. And I think this is similar to like a break room in this area. And here's the lobby area. So they have several offices, so I want to let you guys know that this is one office. I thought this was two offices, but it's one. And here's the other one. This may be a server room probably here, which is not so bad, but it's very heavily soiled. And to show you guys, we do commercial cleaning as well. Anything on the floor we can clean, any type of surface, and as well as fabrics. So just showing you the before, and I'll show you the after it's complete. Thanks for viewing. And these are the final results. Here's the VCT tile. This is one of 3 areas that has VCT. Turn the lights off. And here's the commercial carpet. This is the after. See, 90% of the stains and spots are gone. And here are the other 2 areas of VCT that are completely clean and waxed. That's a server room. Here's another office. And this is the front office. So everything cleaned up nicely, and it is ready to be leased. Thanks for viewing.